In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Datadog Alert integration with Slack, how Datadog enables for Slack 005. By the end, you'll have the Slack integration added in Datadog so alerts can flow into your Slack workspace, helping your team see issues faster and act together. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed into the correct Datadog account and have permission to manage integrations. It also helps to know which Datadog site you're on since organizations can span multiple regions and the interface can vary slightly. Start by opening your Datadog account in a browser and signing in. Give the page a second to fully load your dashboards and navigation. If you work in multiple orgs, confirm you're in the right one so the integration lands where you expect it. Next, look at the left-hand navigation and click Integrations. This is the Integrations hub where you connect Datadog to the tools your team already uses. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full label. On some screens, you might also find an integrations option under a settings or configuration section. The goal is simply to open the integrations directory. Once you're in the directory, use the search bar at the top and type Slack. You should see a Slack tile appear. If you have any filters set, clear them so Slack shows up. Double check you're selecting the core Slack integration, not similarly named entries that serve other purposes. Open the Slack tile and click Install. This kicks off the installation flow. Depending on your organization's setup, your browser may open a prompt to connect with Slack. That's expected, and it's how Datadog securely links to your Slack workspace. If a workspace picker appears, choose the correct one your team uses for alerts. If you're asked to allow permissions, review what's requested so you understand how Datadog will post messages on your behalf. When installation completes, you'll see Slack listed as installed in your Datadog integrations. From there, you can manage the connection later if needed. If you don't see a confirmation right away, refresh the page to update the status. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. If Slack doesn't appear in search, remove any active filters and try again. If the install button is disabled, you may need elevated access in Datadog or approval from a Slack admin. And if the authorization window doesn't open, check for a block pop-up or an extension that might be interfering. That's it. You've navigated to Datadog, opened the Integrations Hub, searched for Slack, and installed the integration so your alerts can reach your team where they collaborate.